The reason why we're on this journey is because of Power Wealth. I think any other company, maybe we wouldn't be where we're at, maybe we wouldn't have the properties, maybe we would still be stuck in the renters market. A lot of the reason why we're being successful up until today is because of Power Wealth.
The Armchair's Guide to Property Investing was the cracker of a podcast, and I was obsessed, and I thought, this is the way to go. This seems safe. I don't know if I should tell you, but I called this guy, this buyer's agent who was affiliated with a real estate company, to say, we've decided to go somewhere else. He ended up convincing me to go with him, and they had specifically done a pest inspection for termites and not, say cockroaches, and there was a huge cockroach infestation, and he was just trying to do a deal with another real estate agent. And so with the second property, Dan realized let's just go to Power Wealth, because without, we're getting something decent. And
yeah, there's great experiences from there, and we will never go with anyone else besides the Power Wealth, regardless of where the next property is. Even if it's in Brisbane and we could do it ourselves, it just makes sense that you give that power to someone else and you trust them, because we think that they've got the best interest for us, and Power Wealth have never let us down from the start. So
we have done our wealth management plan through the Power Wealth, and really loved how that was structured, and it gave us a lot of clarity around what we needed to do to achieve our goals. They're really genuine and authentic. You can tell it comes across that they're actually trying to do the right thing. That kind of gave me comfort too, that they were there for the right reasons. They weren't another Spruiker.
Clearly, with the research online and the reviews and what people have said about Power Wealth, it makes sense. Yeah, just reaching out and getting that first appointment. The team really worked around our schedules. We're really busy people with 2 young kids. Yeah, the initial setup and engagement from Power Wealth was great. Made us feel extremely comfortable with the way we're going and what we needed to achieve, and explained it in layman's terms.
I love detail, and I need to know exactly how it works, or I won't believe it. He was fantastic at taking the time to take us through all the ins and outs. I was trying to get a refinance for this property, and he spent half an hour or something on the phone with me one night and talked me through, why the borrowing capacity calculator the bank was using was incorrect by $100,000. He was right. It was $100,000. It was off. That's like stuff you don't forget. And I talked to everyone. I said, do you want a mortgage broker? I've got like the best one.
Yeah, we've got a couple of properties now. The house that we live in, we own, and I think just the advice is so valuable. When I sit down and I talk to my friends, they ask us for advice. For me to be able to give that advice is going, hey, go get yourself set up now, and you'll thank that person in 20 or 30 years' time. It's huge. Yeah, and like we still live a really good life. Like obviously, getting an opportunity to go to Bali in a couple of weeks' time on a charity event, it's huge for us. But same respect, we've still got 3 properties and take our kids on holidays and go for dinner and you go away, whatever it may be. So this couple of years is just stability. But in saying that, whether that be 1 or 2 more houses in the next 5 years or whatever that may be, it looks like that's the next step. And obviously in Power Wealth will be along for the ride. So yeah, we're pumped.
It's so fantastic. I'd recommend Power Wealth to anyone.